Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon HubLocker. First, when placing an order on Amazon, simply select an Amazon HubLocker as your delivery address during the checkout process. You can easily search for nearby lockers using your zip code, a specific address, or even a local landmark. It's a good idea to quickly check the locker's operating hours and any package size restrictions to ensure a smooth delivery experience. This step ensures your package arrives at a convenient and secure location. Once your package arrives at the locker, you will receive a unique 6-digit pickup code via email or text message. Head to your chosen Amazon HubLocker within 3 calendar days of delivery. When you arrive, simply enter your 6-digit code on the locker's touchscreen. The correct compartment will then automatically open, allowing you to retrieve your package quickly and securely. Remember, you have 3 days to pick it up before it's returned. If you experience any issues, such as a non-working pickup code or a full locker, don't hesitate to contact Amazon customer service immediately. They are available to assist you with any problems. If a locker is full, Amazon will notify you and provide alternative delivery solutions. Remember, packages not collected within 3 calendar days will be returned to Amazon for a full refund, so be sure to pick up your items promptly. Using an Amazon HubLocker offers several great benefits, including secure and convenient package delivery, helping you avoid missed deliveries. Many lockers are accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing ultimate flexibility. It's also an excellent option for discreet deliveries, such as gifts, or when you prefer not to have packages left at your doorstep. This service adds an extra layer of security and convenience to your online shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.